Greetings everyone, you're welcome back to Blessings Kitchen, and today we are making okra soup. Fresh okra soup. Okra soup is one of my children's favorite soup. In today's ingredients we have fresh okra, ugu leaves, also known as pumpkin leaves. We're going to use beef today. Beef, stockfish, we have fresh fish, we have omo, some people call it kanda, and we have periwinkle, but it's optional if you're a lover of periwinkle in okra soup. And we have crayfish, we have fresh pepper, we have onions, and of course we have seasoning cubes and salt, and finally we have palm oil. Let's begin by steaming the beef, the stockfish, the dried fish, or whatever meat you are using to make the okra soup. Don't forget to wash your stockfish with hot water before adding into the pot. Spicy up your meat very well with enough seasoning cubes and salt to your taste. Allow to boil. Time to blend the fresh pepper and crayfish together and add them into the meat stock. Boil for a few minutes and add your palm oil. Check for salt and seasoning cubes and add to your tastes. And finally, add your okra. I love adding onions into my okra soup. It gives it a perfect flavor. Remember not to cook the okra for long. And finally, add your vegetables. Turn off the fire immediately. You don't cook your vegetable for long. And guys, our delicious mouth-watering fresh okra soup is ready. Ready to go down with hot eba. Thank you so much guys for cooking with Blessing today. See you next time. Please subscribe.